Hi, this is a video about the new offline base maps capability in Handy GPS for iOS. This is version 14.2 of the app. So if you want to download one of the pre-prepared offline base maps, you can click on the help button, which is the question mark down the bottom, and that takes you to the online help page. And you scroll down to the offline maps heading, click on that. You scroll down to the offline base maps and click on that. And then you can see that there's a number of pre-prepared maps, currently only for Australia and New Zealand. If you click on, for example, the Tasmania map, it will take you to a Google Drive page where you can download a zip file containing the map for that state. So you click on this download button, and then another download button, a smaller one, is up the top that you need to click on too. Now, since this takes a few minutes to download, I've already downloaded it previously. So let's just go back into the app. So once you've downloaded that zip file to your phone, you can open the map page. And if we click on the View menu and we choose Manage Offline Maps, there's an option up the top here, this blue button up the top, Import Map from Zip. So we click on that, and then we find in our Downloads folder, we find the Tasmanian Open Topo map that we downloaded. We click on that, and now we see a progress bar down the bottom as it imports. And it does take a little while because unzipping this 280 megabyte zip file in this case. Some of the states' data is even larger. I think New South Wales is one of the largest ones, about 2 gigabytes. So it does take a while to download and unzip. But anyway, once this is unzipped, then we can view it in the map. Okay, so we're just about done. Now once it's done, we need to go back to the map page and select that offline map. Okay, map imported. So we press the back button, then we choose the View menu again, and we see that there's a new offline map there, the Tasmania one, so we click on that. And now it's indexing the tiles, and that's done. So now we're currently on the Central Coast. So I'll zoom out and we'll go down to where the offline map is. So you can see that the offline map only kicks in at about zoom level 6. After that, we can view it all the way to zoom level 13. Beyond zoom level 13, it does become pixelated if you zoom in further. So this is not a super detailed map, but detailed enough to see the contours and creeks and that sort of thing. So if you're planning a walk down there, you might want to download a more detailed offline map from maybe one of the state, or from the Tasmanian mapping website. But this is just a base map anyway, so it'll give you a good overview of the entire state, and that's about all there is to it. So yeah, I hope you find this new feature useful, and probably more states and countries will be added as time goes by. Thanks a lot.